Let's go over the benefits of having a Garmin Astro magnetic antenna around when tracking your dogs. Astro antenna is very durable and lightweight with 17 inches of antenna length to reach that extra 5 miles around you. Magnetic mount Astro antenna is compatible with Astro 220 and Astro 320 unit. All you have to do is unscrew the regular antenna from the unit and attach the connector from the magnetic mount into the unit. And that's it. The GPS is connected to the antenna. The strong magnet on the bottom of the mount allows users to attach the antenna to the roof of your car while out in the wild. Of course, Astro 320 with backbone design back cover easily attaches to Garmin auto mounts. This makes your dog easy to track while hunting or just enjoying the outdoors if the dog escapes the radius of your GPS unit alone. The Astro magnetic mount antenna is a great help to outdoorsmen and hunters everywhere.